So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you the complete tutorial of Google Forms. Okay, so in this short video I just explain you how you can share the link of the Google form and how you can access the responses on the Google form of others who submitted. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open a Google form by searching in Google Forms. Okay, whenever you search for this term, there are several number of links. Just click on the first link and here you can see docs, sheets, slides, forms. Okay, we are in forms now, right? Go to Google Forms and we are in Google Forms now, right? So here click on blank. So then a blank document will be appear. So I just give this for test purpose. Okay, description is Harshi. Okay, first question is owner name of this channel. Okay, something, a question like a random question will be written by me. Okay, so here you can see short answer, right? You can also select the answer of this question. Like for example, I just need this answer like multi choice. Okay, so if I select this option, then option 1, okay, option 1 is KAREEMM. Okay, add option 2 is someone. So whenever you saw this question, you just access to these two options only, right? Owner name of this channel, KAREEMM, or someone. I just show you how the answers will be look like. So firstly, after this, just click on send option and here you can see this pop-up, right? So click on here and just copy it, or just click on this and shorten URL and copy this. Now a URL will be kept on your clipboard, right? So go to response here and you can see 0 responses, right? Nobody can answer this question because I didn't share to anyone, right? So I go to responses and just click on this create spreadsheet icon. Whenever I click this, it will ask you create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet, right? I'm create new spreadsheet. Okay, just click on create and the spreadsheet will be created automatically without getting any delay, right? So it will showing me like timestamp owner of the channel. It means this is the question and this is the timestamp, right? So what I do is I just open this link on my other tab. Okay, so for joy purpose I just give this link on description as well. You can also answer this question, right? So owner name of this channel is KAREEMM and click on submit. Whenever I submitted this answer, then this will be automatically respond will be written on the spreadsheet just created by Google Forms, right? So this is how you can create, share and get response from Google Forms. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, right? So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.